Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus ceiling fan in the golden baroque finish. This is another part of the Cameron clan and is the designer series model. This one would have coordinated with the Pembroke collection at Home Depot. It has reversible rosewood, and on the other side it's bleached oak. I have the rosewood side facing down. This particular model is from March of 2003. This model came into play, I think, around 2002, and it lasted quite a bit. I'm not sure on the exact year when they discontinued this model, but I would guess it was in the mid to late 2000s, probably 2007 at the most. But yeah, I picked this one up off of a listing too. As you probably noticed, I've been getting a lot of Camerons lately. That's mainly just because I wanted to get every Cameron that was in the collection. And I'm just chugging along and trying my best, so this is another one to mark off the list. Once again, this one would have coordinated with the Pembroke collection. This one also is a childhood fan too, because there used to be a boutique shop near my house, which unfortunately it's gone now. They changed it into a strip mall. But it used to be a boutique, and they had one of these in the boutique. Although the one that was in the boutique had the other side of the blades facing down. But I used to look at that as a kid. I thought it was a really cool looking fan. And I always thought the light kit was the most interesting part, because it is. Not only is the light kit pretty cool, the actual switch housing is neat as well. It's more like a dome shape, not the traditional rectangle cylinder shape. And also, one thing I noticed when I got this thing, the light shades are textured, and it feels like sandpaper, and it's pretty satisfying actually touching it. So I thought that was really cool. But this one came 100% complete. It came flush mounted, but you know, that's okay. I would have preferred it came with the down rod, but you can't have everything in life. But anyway, I'll test it out with the light. Came with two of those bulbs in there, which are CFLs. The other one is an incandescent that I put in, because it was missing one. And that's that. There's low speed. This one is very quiet. I also wondered, as a kid, and I still do now, I might actually test it after the video, if those lamps can be turned the other way. I might try it. But, yeah, I just always wondered that. As usual, it's throwing out your breeze. Crank this one up to medium speed. Due to the pull chain being angled down in the dome-shaped switch housing, the pull chain does pull a lot easier than it would in a traditional Cameron. Pull chains are clicking around, sorry. we'll send it to high speed. It does have a slight startup on high. That's besides the point though. Close to it. Turn on the light too. See the texture on the light shade. Focus on it. It's pretty neat. There's the one side of the blades, and there's the other. And the tag is right there. Very interesting fan. Yeah, see, this can be undone, I think, and this can be turned around. But I'm yet to confirm that. I will try that after the video, though. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.